All right, everyone, buckle up, because today we are diving deep into something I think we can all relate to.
Yeah.
Overthinking.
Classic.
Like a constant battle in our minds, right?
Absolutely. A battle we all fight, I think.
Well, today we're going to try to come up with some strategies to win that battle.
Good luck to us.
Well, our source material is a video,
Okay.
and it's from the YouTube channel Talks That Matter, and it's from their Every Word Counts playlist.
Interesting.
The title of the video is How to Stop Overthinking and Find Peace of Mind.
Sounds promising.
And I really like how they approach this topic.
Okay, how so?
Well, one of the first things they talk about is how important it is to be aware of when you're overthinking.
Self-awareness is key, right? Like recognizing those thought spirals when they start.
Exactly. It's like having an inner alarm system that goes off.
Yeah, a big red flashing light.
Telling you to stop and take a step back from those thoughts.
Instead of getting sucked into that vortex of worry and what ifs.
I think a lot of us get stuck because we don't even realize we're doing it right.
It becomes such a habit, a default mode for dealing with things.
And the video gives us a really cool tip to deal with that. Have you ever had trouble making decisions?
Oh, all the time.
Like even simple stuff? What to eat, what to wear?
Oh, yeah, it can be paralyzing.
The video says set a timer.
A time.
Oh, yeah, like 10 minutes or something.
Okay.
And force yourself to make a decision within that time limit.
Interesting. So it's about breaking that cycle of endlessly going back and forth, back and forth.
Exactly, because sometimes we just need to choose something and move on.
You're not going to overthink your way to a perfect decision.
And speaking of breaking cycles, the video also talks about mindfulness.
Mindfulness, yeah.
I know it can sound kind of cliche, but I think they do a good job of explaining it.
What's their take on it?
Well, they focus on how mindfulness can help you stay grounded in the present moment.
Right, because so much of overthinking is about the past or the future.
And they give a really simple technique. Take a moment to notice 5 things you can see, 5 things you can hear, 5 things you can touch, smell, or taste.
Engage your senses.
Exactly. And it's amazing how focusing on those sensations can just bring you back to reality.
Out of your head and into your body.
I like that. Yeah, out of your head and into your body.
It's like a little mini vacation from those racing thoughts.
A mental reset button.
I love it.
But what about when we actually need to tackle the things that are causing us to overthink?
Yeah, good point. Mindfulness is great for calming down, but sometimes you have to take action.
And that's another key point in the video.
What do they say?
They talk about breaking down tasks.
Into smaller chunks.
Exactly. Because often it's the feeling of being overwhelmed that leads to overthinking.
Like when you look at this massive project or problem, it's easy to freeze up.
You don't know where to even start.
So break it down, make it manageable.
And then you can start to make progress, and that can help boost your confidence and motivation too.
Momentum is key.
Okay, last but not least, they talk about journaling.
Journaling, how does that fit in?
Well, they explain how writing down your thoughts can be super helpful in processing them.
It's like taking all that mental clutter and putting it somewhere you can actually see it.
Right. And sometimes just the act of writing things down can help you see them more objectively.
It can help you detangle those thoughts and understand them better.
And you might even start to notice patterns or triggers for your overthinking.
And solutions, too. Sometimes just the act of articulating a problem can help you find a way through it.
So basically, this video is giving us a whole toolbox to deal with overthinking. Becoming aware of the thought spirals, setting time limits for decisions, practicing mindfulness, breaking down tasks, and using journaling to gain clarity.
It's like a 5-step program.
Yeah, a roadmap to a calmer, more peaceful mind.
Which I think we could all use a little more of.
Absolutely. So to leave you all with something to think about, what's one small step you can take today to shift from overthinking to action? It doesn't have to be big, just something to get the ball rolling.
Yeah, baby steps.
Exactly. All right, that's all the time we have for today.
Until next time.
Thanks for listening, everyone, and we'll see you on our next deep dive.
Bye.
Bye.